Hi guys, let's
Hi.
start our usual weekly MSI demo, and this demo would be pretty short one because most of the work we've done and delivered during this week was technical task, and so there are not a lot of fancy stuff to present on today's meeting, but we will shed some lights regarding what all the findouts we've done during this week, especially on considering like different product types like bundle product and configurable product. And Valery will share some updates on that. So Valery?
I share my screen. So as Igor said, we don't have a lot of functionality for this demo. During the week, we work on two tracks. First track is related to synchronization between new MSI system and legacy stock item system. We merged about 6, maybe 7 pull requests related to update some helpers in the catalog inventory, some resource models, so on. And generally, next track, it was devoted to investigation for new stories, for bundle, for configurable product, for group product. And I created a lot of related tickets to these stories, to these tracks. And also we have preparation for tomorrow contribution day. And I'm going to publish a lot of new tickets, and I believe that we will big jump, huge boost tomorrow in our tickets. So I think that's all.
Yes. So from the interesting points we would like to highlight, we are continuing work on a search. And but we're still on the way, and we didn't finish the task regarding which will help us to support search on different stocks. Also, we're discovering the complex products like configurable. For configurable product, we have own widget. And we are starting the investigation of the UI part, because for the generation of all the variation of configurable product, there is a dedicated UI, and it would be pretty it's quite a lot big challenge for us to extend that UI form and add the quantity for all the variations of the configurable product. Also, we are working on a bundle product, which also does not have own quantity, but we need to make a bundle product to be presented in an index. So currently we are fixing that issue because now the bundle product does not get to the index, because the index currently built just based on the source items, and there are no source item for the bundle product. And yeah, so actually that's the main updates we have currently.
Yeah, maybe you need to ask Vyacheslav. Vyacheslav, do you have some updates related to our test cases?
Yes, I continue working exactly on the same topics, configurable bundle products and grouped one as well. Yes, and I also made some, according to what you, Valery, said, how to check after reservation, if reservation worked well on the stock, not non-default stock. So I made scenario how to check this different type of products after placing order, and then after canceling order, and also with now I'm working on credit memo, so it's also need to be checked that the refund is working properly. That's all.
And also, as Valery mentioned, we will have tomorrow the contribution day devoted for MSI. And on that contribution day, we also would like to finish the search configuration part, because currently, as you know, in a legacy stock item object, so in a legacy stock item object, we have both quantity and all the stock item configuration. In new MSI, we did not implement the configuration yet, so we reuse the existing stock item as a place where all configuration is stored. And so we have like new objects where we collect the quantities and the stock availability, which would be delivered by the MSI. So the source item and the stock item, new stock items, but the stock configuration would be retrieved out of the legacy stock item. And actually that's a little bit challenge for us, because we need to add somehow data for products which are not presented on a default stock, because we agreed to use a legacy stock item table for default stock only, but taking into account that we need to have configuration for those products which are not presented on a default stock, we're still actually considering the possibilities, but probably we will put the products from other stock to the legacy table, just to have an ability to have a configuration for that product. That's why we will have some tricky scenarios regarding the configuration of the products which are not assigned to the default stocks, but assigned to another stocks. And we hope that we will cover all of that stuff with integration testing. So that will be part of the functionality which will be presented, which would be given on a contribution day. And actually, we also would like to introduce the new configuration APIs. So that's a part of the functionality which we will provide for the contribution day tomorrow. So there are not a lot of other updates. So most of the updates are pretty technical one, as you see. If there are any other open questions, feel free to ask us. And of course, ping us in the MSI Slack channel. We are always available there, and we are always ready to answer your questions. If there are no questions, thank you for attention, thank you for attendance, and see you soon, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.